It's another bike ride from Farringdon to Waterloo in London. Welcome back to the channel, Neil's Trains and Travel. I'm Neil. This is a short one tonight because I had battery problems with the camera. It's in March 2025, around 7 o'clock, so nice and dark and a bit cold. As ever, I'm on a Santander bike, the so-called Boris bikes. I usually get the new e-bikes, the electric cycle hire, but you can hear from the clanking that this is one of the pedal bicycles. Going from Smithfield to Waterloo Station tonight, but I've only managed to capture from Farringdon Street to Upper Ground, just on the other side of the river. We have some roadworks tonight, which might get a little hairy, and it takes a little longer, so turned out to be a bit too long for my camera. I have a new camera now, so if you want some better quality bike ride footage, hit the subscribe button and those newer videos should show up. And thanks as ever for your support, I really appreciate it. So here you can see us waiting in line in New Bridge Street. There's a road closure up ahead, or there's actual closure of the traffic lane on the left hand side in Blackfriars. So the traffic, all the cars on the left hand side there, is one way going north for quite a few weeks, and it means that the cycle lane that we're in goes into a narrow section as a contraflow to the traffic. But the cycle lane, the temporary cycle lane, is two way, which gets a bit tricky when it's busy in the morning. It seems to be okay at night, so long as everyone goes single file, and so I get a bit worried when it starts to bunch up at the lights like this. It's funny, people say, oh look, no one's using the cycle lanes when they see them empty, but there's a queue here at the traffic lights because it is so busy in peak hours. The reason they look empty is because people are actually moving along the lanes. They're passing through, so that's why they don't look busy. Anyway, this is the tricky temporary section now that we're coming up to. I'll be quiet so you can just enjoy the ride, and obviously you can speed this video up in your video controls on YouTube if you click on the cog icon. And thanks again if you've reached this point for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going. And we're going to breathe in now, breathe in tight, and hopefully not hit someone going the other way.
Okay.